These viral time travel vlog videos where people film themselves in the past or future are blowing up on Instagram right now. Let me show you this account as an example.
They've only uploaded 19 posts, yet almost every single one is pulling in millions of views. One video reached 5 million views, another hit 10 million, and their most viral clip passed 10 million views. Because of that momentum, the creator gained more than 500,000 followers in less than a month.
And it's not just this account. Many new creators are already jumping on this trend and seeing significant growth as well. That's why I believe now is the perfect time to enter the still untapped niche. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these videos step by step.
First, head over to ChatGPT. Open the sidebar, click Apps, then select GPT. And in the search bar, type Time Travel Vlog. Start a chat. You can also find the link to this GPT model in the description below. Once you're inside the chat, you'll see two options at the top. In this video, we'll choose Put Yourself in a Vlog. The other option works in a similar way, so you can try it later. After selecting this option, the GPT will ask you to fill in a few variables. Here's what you need to do. Upload a reference photo of yourself. Enter the location and time period where you want your vlog to take place. For example, we can choose riding through a Mongol camp with thousands of horsemen. Once you submit this information, the GPT will generate 5 text-to-image prompts and 5 text-to-video prompts. These prompts will help us generate both the images and the animations. Next, go to Google and search for Gemini AI. Open the first link and Gemini will appear on your screen. First, click on Create Image and then select the Pro model. Now click on the plus icon and upload your reference image. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt and paste it into Gemini AI. Here's an important tip. If you're creating short-form content, make sure to add AR916 at the end of your prompt. This helps Gemini understand that you want the image generated in a vertical format, suitable for shorts, reels, or TikTok. Once that's done, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Gemini will then create the image for you. And here is the result. Our first image is ready. Now simply copy the second prompt, paste it into Gemini, and generate the second image. Follow the same steps for the third, fourth, and fifth prompts. As you can see, we now have all the images ready. The next step is to animate these images. Next, go to Google and search for Flow. Open the first link. After signing up, click on Create with Flow. Then select New Project. Once inside the project, choose the Video option. Here, you need to configure a few settings. Click on Frames, set the format to Portrait, choose Output ×1, and make sure the model is set to VO 3.1 Fast. Now, click on Start Frame and upload your first image. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Then paste that prompt into the VO prompt box. Once everything is ready, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Your video will be generated automatically. And here is the result.
I'm literally riding through a Mongol war camp right now. There are thousands of horsemen everywhere, and they're all preparing for battle.
Now simply follow the same process for the remaining images. Upload image 2 as the start frame, paste the second video prompt, and click Generate. Repeat the same steps for image 3, image 4, and image 5. After all the videos are generated, download them and open any video editor to combine them. In this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut.
Now import all your generated videos into your editor and place them on the timeline scene by scene. Once everything is arranged properly, add a title label at the top of the video indicating the location. For example, I went to a Mongol camp to see how they prepare for battle. After that, use the Auto Captions feature to generate captions for your video. Adjust the caption placement so it appears exactly where you want it on the screen and looks visually clean. Once everything looks perfect and well aligned, simply export the video and your final time travel vlog is ready to post.
I'm literally riding through a Mongol war camp right now. There are thousands of horsemen everywhere, and they're all preparing for battle. You guys have to see this. These riders are firing arrows while riding at full speed. I've never seen anything like this in my life. It's night here in the Mongol camp, and the entire steppe is glowing with fires. There must be thousands of warriors here. I'm literally riding with a Mongol cavalry column right now. Look at this. The line of riders just keeps going forever across the steppe. I think this might be the command camp. There are elite guards everywhere. This could actually be the center of the Mongol army.
And that's it. You now have a viral style time travel vlog video ready to post. All the tools and links used in this tutorial are available in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.